This is it. This is what it's all about. Whatever life chucks at you, keep on building. Sat here filming with the horse's arse behind me. Maybe a fresh study. Ended by Vine. Good lass. What are you doing? He's lush. What are you doing? He can't get his kiss. Good. Hey up peeps, how we doing? I'm Smudge. Welcome to another video. This video is about being resourceful and making the situation a better situation. Lead singer from Guana Bats, look. Google him. Google Guana Bats. My favourite song, Wondrous Place. Right, I'm going to have to gan. It's Geordie that. Wind's getting up and it's getting really windy, and if I don't get wriggle on, the videos are going to be toilet. So yeah, you're probably not going to be at nothing now. I'm going to try and move that. I don't know what I'm doing still, but I'm having a punt. That's my bike. Right, there's an introduction to my bike. I got it out of the garage. It was at the back of our lassie's garage. Flat tyres, bottom bracket was well away, that was knackered, so I've had to strip and re-grease that. My tripod's going like that now. Headstock was like that. So it was all over the gaff, it just needed a bit of TLC. Anyway, so I got my spanners out, sorted out bottom bracket, but stripped it, re-greased it. Bingo, done. Bearings in wheels are cool, they're alright now, wrong, and they run true. So, why have I done that? Mine a frigging diving contest. Sorted the seat height out for my leg length, you know, because you need to be able to pedal the bloody thing, and you know, I'm quite sort of tall, so sorted it out for my leg length. Anyway, I give it some TLC, stripped my shifters, realigned them, put them back together. So anyway, runs like a good one now. Gears are smooth, adjusted them bad boys. And what I say is, you can go to London in a Fiesta as you can a BM. So even though it's an Alfred special, Alfred's. I don't know what it is. Apparently it's a slant. So there you go. It's not a Cannondale. It's not a Cube. It's a cheap bike. But it's my cheap bike. And so far, that thing is doing, I don't know, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20k a day. Why am I doing that? 20k a day, yeah. 10k there and back to the stable once to bring my horse in. 10k back to put her out again. Then I have to go into, you know, go into town on it, and I'm all over on it. So I need to replace chain nets, because that thing will be snapping on me at some point. It's wind, can't do nothing about it. But anyway, it is a cracking little bike. So what I want to try and do is, why am I all over it? I've not been drinking. It's nothing work. Yeah, I want to go on a stealth camp. Stealth camp / wild camp. Bikepacking is what I want to do. So I thought I'd tell you a bit about the bike. It's not a Rolls Royce, it's not a Cannondale, it's not a specialised rock upper comp. Even if they do them no more, they were in my day, because I'm from Lake District, and that was the beast of the time. Diamondback Ascents, you know, Trek, they were a good brand. You know, it's not a Cannondale, it's nothing like that. It's from Alfred's, it's an Alfred special. That's what happens when you mention Alfred's.
Is there anything that I could have done better my end to improve your highway robbery experience?
Well, you know, I'm liking it. It's comfortable, it's lush. It fits me perfectly, even though, you know, it's not really designed for a bloke of my height. So, but it was Harry's bike. It was our lassie's son. That'd have your eye out, wouldn't it? That? A bit Blair Witch in here, isn't it? Yeah. Vape. Bugger it, eh? Everyone's got to have a vice, haven't they? Tripods like that again. So yeah, my quest continues to find, because I'm going to do a planned wild camp. So anyway, there we go. There is my bike. See what it's like. Shouldn't really be push biking, vaping at the same time, should I? And I just like vaping. Got no other vices. So calms me down. I've got that ADHD as well. But I'll talk about that later time. Yeah. Our lass, she sussed that lock. So that came with bike. And we rung Harry and said, Harry, what's combo? And he went, I haven't got a clue. So Tina, my missus, worked it out. Had it open within 15 minutes. Because she's probably a scally. Probably robbed cars and that when she was a kid. Nah, she didn't. So, anyway, flipping it. What else can I say about it? Brakes are alright, they're good. Yeah, I need to get a set of new pedals. Because when it's wet, my feet slip off. So, and that is no good. You know what's mad? People, right, they come round here, I'd stop here, sleep here, wouldn't bother me. The only thing that would bother me is the human evidence. You know, the young'uns coming down. But apart from that, I used to be a calf handler, and well, still am, I suppose, but and I did about 30 years of sleeping outside, 3 nights a week at one point, and I never seen no werewolves. I never seen nothing really, apart from badgers. There was a guy on a bike. So, two of them were going. That's a path down there, a gravel path. So yeah, badgers, mink, seen loads of mink, otters, seen them. Yeah. And yeah, there's nothing to be scared of. Not in places like this. People you've got to think about. Ooh. What have I done to that stick? Anyway, that's it. Should I do that caper? Could be like World War II, couldn't it? It's a dead tree, it's dead. Don't worry. I intend to replace the train, the pedals, and get some device to her tent. And maybe a fresh set of handlebars. Fine. Yeah, but that's it. Anyway. It's not how they do it, is it? It's not major. Guten Tag. Fucking German. Not English, is it? Happy bye for now. Yeah, so it is a good bike. Anyway, I'm off and sort the horse out. Come on, telly, look, caramel. Call that. Like the donut that I am, I forgot to say tatty bye. Well, I did and I didn't. Anyway, I'm here now, sorting out my GG. So if you got this far, I'd like to say thank you, and keep on building one day at a time. That's how I've done it. Don't get yourself into any trouble, or if you do, dig yourself out.